In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Mona Prep won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Mona Prep and Bible knowledge. Which of the 12 tribes of Israel was characterized by left-handed persons?
Levi.
Levi.
Incorrect, Benjamin. Or lady, which of the 12 tribes of Israel was described as a lion's whelp?
Judah.
That's correct. Science for Mona Prep, the ovules of a flower develop into seeds after fertilization. Is this true or false?
True.
Correct. Or Lady of the Angels, the stigma in a flower is a stalk-like structure that connects the style to the ovary. Is this true or false?
False.
That is correct. Jamaican Affairs, we have a visual question for Mona. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Heroy Clark.
Heroy Clark.
Correct. Or Lady of the Angels, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Marley Malahu Fort.
Marley Malahu Fort.
That's correct. English language for Mona Prep, spell cantankerous.
Cantankerous. Cantankerous.
That's right. Or lady, spell ludicrous.
Ludocris.
Incorrect. It's ludicrous. Mona, television or visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Sleepy.
Sleepy.
Incorrect, it's dopey. Or lady, look at the monitor and identify this animated movie character.
Doc.
Incorrect, it's bashful. General knowledge for Mona Prep, who is renowned for his invention of the telephone.
Alexander Graham Bell.
Alexander Graham Bell.
That's correct. Or lady, who is renowned for his invention of the electric light bulb.
Nikola Tesla.
Incorrect, it's Thomas Edison. Social studies for Mona Prep, what is the 13-letter name for the clearing of trees, transforming a forest into cleared land?
Deforestation.
Deforestation.
That's right. Or lady, what is the 9-letter name for the introduction of harmful substances or products into the environment?
Pollution.
That is correct. Music, a visual question for Mona Prep. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Carlene Davis.
Carlene Davis.
That's right. Or lady, look at the monitor and identify this person.
NBA Youngboy.
Incorrect, it's Ding Dong. Mona Prep, mathematics. What is the value of y if 41 minus 2y equals to 13?
$14.
That's correct. Or lady, what is the value of x if 7x minus 10 equals to 53?
9.
That is correct. Sports for Mona. Which team is the reigning NBA champion in the United States of America?
Los Angeles Lakers.
Incorrect, it's the Oklahoma City Thunder. Or lady, which team did the Oklahoma City Thunder defeat to win the NBA title in 2025?
Los Angeles Lakers.
Incorrect, it's the Indiana Pacers. Jamaican Affairs. And that brings us to the end of section 1. The scores are Mona Prep on 7 and Our Lady of the Angels Prep on 5. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Visualize success. Picture yourself excelling in exams to build confidence. Stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.